Hey everyone, Extreme here. Now the crypto markets are open 24/7, but in my case, it's market open. So let's see what's happening. After the announcement of Yellen yesterday, we saw a massive sell-off in the crypto and in the stock market. But today, after the sell-off, we've seen everything is green, retracing and going back. And currently, the main one in the last 24 hours is 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙬. What? Did Alan say something again? But let's see if there's any news regarding 𝙏𝙗𝙬 besides FOMO. Let's see. Only whales move 𝙏𝙗𝙬, data suggest. 16 minutes ago we got an article and news on 𝙏𝙗𝙬. Let's see what it's saying. Only whales move 𝙏𝙗𝙬, data suggests major 𝙏𝙗 wealth gap. So what's the news regarding it? It was 𝙏𝙗 day afternoon all over again on Wednesday as 𝙏𝙗 coin continued its assault on the cryptocurrency market cap rankings. The meme coin overtook XRP to become the fourth largest cryptocurrency by implied market capitalization, after climbing to a per coin value of 69 cents, a target that was specifically set by traders on social media. But cryptocurrency's latest media darling may not be as wholesome as it seems. For all the hype surrounding 𝙏𝙗 and its de facto master Elon Musk, publicly available data suggests a relatively few number of people are actually using the blockchain, and those who are account for an incredibly large portion of its overall activity. So 𝙏𝙗 is on the move, but the main problem in the background is its usage. What is it going to be used for? Is there a long-term usage for it? Consider that the dollar value of coins sent across 𝙏𝙗 blockchain on May 4th exceeded 58 billion. The figure was 70% higher than the amount transferred on Bitcoin, 34 billion, and 260% higher than on Ethereum, which was 16 million. Digging into on-chain data further, we see despite 𝙏𝙗 moving a higher value of coins than the two largest cryptocurrency in the world, its achievement this with a mere fraction of their transactions. Over 1.4 million transactions were counted on Ethereum blockchain yesterday, according to data from Bitten for Charts, while close to 300,000 were counted on Bitcoin. Compare this to just 76,000 recorded on the 𝙏𝙗 blockchain, and a apparent wealth gap begins to emerge. Indeed, when looking at 𝙏𝙗 average transaction value on the day in question, it stood at almost double that recorded on Bitcoin. The average 𝙏𝙗 transaction value stood at $800,000 compared to $420,000 on Bitcoin. Its statistics relative to Ethereum paint an even more dire picture. 𝙏𝙗's average transaction value exceeded Ethereum's by 8,000%, despite processing only 5% of the number of transactions. Combined with the long-standing reality that one single address holds 28% of all coins in existence, while just 12 accounts for 67%, it becomes clear that 𝙏𝙗 isn't exactly the people's champion that interested parties would have the public believe. Wow, if 12 wallets own 67% of 𝙏𝙗 in the current market, how easy could we see a massive sell-off? It might just start dropping and not stopping. Are your 𝙏𝙗 safe? Or what's your strategy? Are you holding, or are you looking for a certain amount of profit? A recently published report by Galaxy Digital piled on the misery regarding Dogecoin's general lack of authentication as a true cryptocurrency project, titled Dogecoin, the most honest coin. The report highlighted the fact that Dogecoin GitHub repository, where updates to the blockchain code are locked by developers, hasn't been touched since 2017. What's more, the number of fully synced nodes, computers running copies of the Dogecoin blockchain, is just 26% of the overall node count, suggesting few people are willing to make the effort to maintain the blockchain's network security. But even if the Dodge house seems like a ghost town, the glaring reality remains that Dogecoin is the best performing digital asset in the cryptocurrency space. The coin recorded 14,000% growth since January 1, when it was priced at a fraction of a cent. Yes, FOMO, in my opinion, is pushing Doge up. I do have my Doge and I'm seeing profits, so I'm not complaining. Both credit and blame for Doge's seemingly irrational absence have been placed on the Doge father himself, Elon Musk, who took great pleasure in posting Doge memes to his 52 million followers on Twitter throughout much of 2021. However, it should also be noted that the coin's recent peak of 69 cents is the same price target set by the Reddit traders intent on artificially pumping Doge valuations. The price point was originally intended to be reached on April 20th, a joke on top of a joke on 420 day. Dogecoin only reached a price of 42 cents at a time, but now, little over 2 weeks later, it has finally achieved its jugular goals. The ultimate price point being pursued by traders is $1. If more evidence is needed that markets are not always rational, look no further than this year's GameStop pump, where the share price of near-dead brand increased by over 9,000%. Dogecoin has always been a joke, and the joke keeps getting funnier, state the Galaxy Digital report, author of the report and head of firm-wide research at Galaxy, Alex Thorn. That praised Dogecoin for its lack of pretense, nothing that the coin's fortunes were tied to foundation, announcements or developer promises, and that its only goal was to elicit a reaction. Dogecoin's longevity is ensured so long as the trumps remains. People love a joke. Fawn ended. So Dogecoin, it's making a lot of people happy, but at this current stage, it seems to be careful because it can break some hearts. Let's see, the second biggest mover is Bitcoin Cash. Wow, what a move today. Up 22.71% just for that today. Let's see if there's anything causing the move, because this is a bigger retracement than yesterday's drop. Is there any news happening? Let's see, Bitcoin Cash. Is there any reason why it's getting pushed up? Yes, there's a reason. PayPal is reportedly exploring issuing a stable coin, but look what's mentioned in the article. Last fall, the world's largest payment processor, PayPal, partnered with Paxos to allow users to buy, hold, and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash, and the demand for its crypto service has so far exceeded the company expectations. Amid growing demand for crypto, the payment giant could be gearing up to move deeper in the crypto industry with a stablecoin. So the latest news is PayPal is mentioning Bitcoin Cash. Could this be the reason why Bitcoin Cash is moving rapidly? Who knows? Well, it's probably reached massive highs lately. $1,165 a coin. Won't complain with those benefits if you're sitting with some Bitcoin Cash. EOS finally on the move. We've been waiting for EOS to move as it's been down a lot. If we go back, as you can see, it bottomed out and now it's moving back up again. Where will it go? Back up to $8? Or will it go all the way back to 15? Well, opportunities is there. Let's see, is it just a retracement or is there any news boosting it as well? EOS news, only a few tweets about it. No news lately. So EOS, no news, but it's moving rapidly. And yes, it's used as on dApp radar for different kinds of dApps. We might have to go and look. Maybe there's a dApp that came out using EOS, which we haven't seen yet. TFUEL, Theta Fuel. What a rapid move. It's been pumping. Let's see, is there anything that's supporting it? Any reason why this coin is moving? Tweet. Just a bunch of tweets about it, which the latest one was 3 days ago. But let's see, this operational token of the Theta protocol TFuel powers on-chain operations like payments to relayers for sharing a video stream or for deploying or interacting with smart contracts. Relayers earn TFuel for every video stream they relay to other users on a network. You can think of Theta Fuel as the gas of the protocol. So relaying videos, looking at different videos, gives you the opportunity to earn. Pretty interesting concept. Why wouldn't we use it? I'm someone, if I can make money, I'll take it. Either way. So let's see. We've done the first 4 big movers so far today. XTZ, Tesos. What's happening with Tesos? There's news. They're in the news market. Let's see. XTZ aims for new highs after reclaiming crucial levels. XTZ is expected to continue increasing and eventually reach a new all-time high price. Long-term XT levels. XTZ reached an all-time high price of $7.75 on April 16. It's been moving downwards since. Despite the drop, it has bounced above the 440 long-term support area. As long as the token is trading above this level, we can consider the trend bullish. Furthermore, the technical indicators are also bullish. The MACD and stochastic oscillators are both moving upwards. In addition, while the RSI is decreasing, it has generated considerably hidden bullish divergence. This is a strong sign of trend continuation. Therefore, XTZ is expected to continue increasing towards new highs. Cryptocurrency traders stated that XTZ will surprise many people. In the hidden bullish divergence outline transpire, it could indeed move towards a new all-time high. Complete correction. The daily chart support the reading from the weekly one. The RSI stochastic oscillator and MACD are all increasing a sign of bullish trend. Furthermore, the movement since the beginning of Feb shows a complete running flat correction. If so, XTZ would be expected to break out upwards with strength. Currently, it's facing resistance at the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level at 630. Afterwards, the next resistance levels are found at the all-time high of 686 and then 991. XET versus Bitcoin. Previously, the 9,000 Satoshi area had held as support since late 2018. The token fell thrice to this level before initiating very significant upward movement. While it fell below it in December 2020, the price has moved above it since. This is a strong bullish sign that often leads to an upward movement. Technical indicators also support the possibility. If so, the next closest resistance level is found all the way at 25,916 Satoshis. To conclude, XTZ USD is expected to gradually increase towards a new all-time high. XTZ BTC is expected to increase towards the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement resistance at 25,916 Satoshis. So the opportunity for new all-time highs is there. This could be a coin to get in. Reaching the $9 mark plus, it's a 50% movement. The next big mover is Holo. Rapid move the last few hours. A lot of coins has been moving after yesterday's big drop, but let's see if there's any news supporting it. The latest news on Holo was 2 days ago, so let's see. Go down to Holo. With increasing demand across exchanges, HOT got listed on new exchanges in the past week. The altcoin has experienced a drop in market capitalization in the past 24 hours. However, the price is currently range-bound. The altcoin rallied for 2 days straight based on the price chart and is now consolidating. There are traders accumulating Nano, HOT and Bake over altcoins like XRP, BNB, Litecoin, Matic or other top DeFi tokens, since the short-term return of investment is higher and so is the volatility. So HOT is seen as an altcoin and people are accumulating some of it above BNB, Matic and Litecoin. It might just be an opportunity to have a small bag of Holo for in case. BTT BitTorrent. What a rapid move. Let's see. The last 5 hours up 16%, 11% total. Let's see, is there any news or is it just market driven? 20 tweet. We got the price analyst a day ago. Let's see what it's saying about BitTorrent. So BitTorrent, there was a little to report in the BitTorrent market as the price remained in consolidation between 0.0077 and 0.0066. Bollinger Bands were constricted and low volatility disallowed for sharp movements. The ADX legit at 16 and highlighted the lack of strong trend. It was possible that BTT was in accumulation before the next swing, and if it was the case, traders could sell on resistance and buy at support. A major resistance level resides at 0.0097, and a breakout above this could see gains all the way towards the April all-time high. With prices currently being at 0.007, there's an opportunity to get in and set take profit at the 0095 range, which could give you about 35% gains. How long will it take? I can't say, but the opportunity for profits is there. The next one, Ethereum Classic. I told my friends and recommended them buying Ethereum Classic quite a while ago when the price was around $14, right down here. For the ones who listened and got in, well, what can we say? That's some massive profits, all the way up 446% profit for the ones who believed me and got in. But let's see, any news regarding Ethereum Classic lately? Is there any reason why it's pumping? We got a price analyst 17 hours ago regarding it. Let's see, Ethereum, Dodge, and Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic, the cryptocurrency ranked 27th on CoinMarketCap, has recovered well since the spike of 51% attacks back in August 2020. While Ethereum and the altcoin markets generally bullishness has obviously helped, local developments have also contributed to Ethereum Classic positioning itself to where it is right now on the price charts. Consider this, back in February, ETC was valued at just under $10. At press time, Ethereum Classic was worth $51, while currently it's worth $76. What makes Ethereum Classic recent hikes even more surprising is that the same was accompanied by very inconstant trading volumes. In fact, the alt has climbed over 60% in the last week alone. While MACD line was surging well above the signal line, chain money flow was holding steady below 0.2, highlight the strength of capital inflows in the market. The opportunities are endless. Ethereum Classic, massive potential on profits for the ones that held on. The second last coin we're going to look at today, EGLD. Not much movement on the daily charts, but quite a rapid move on the 1 hour. Going as low with a 10% increase in the last 10 hours, up 9% in the last 24. But let's see, is there any news supporting it or pushing it towards it? Where is the Elrond coin going? It's just a few tweets, no news lately. So the Elrond is a technology ecosystem for the new internet. Its smart contracts execution platform is capable of 15,000 TPS, 5S latency and 0.001 transaction cost. Focus on fintech, DeFi and IoT. Elrond's Money and DeFi app Meyer offers the intuitive first-time experience with blockchain, offering progressive security and gamified approach to unlocking more useful features. So a lot of things, a lot of ways to use, and it can benefit everyone in the long run. But let's see where it goes and where will it end up. And the last one we're going to look at today is Cake from PancakeSwap. This coin has a massive usage in my opinion because it's getting used for staking and all different kinds of things on the Binance blockchain, which helps it to increase in price and move forward. Let's see if there's any news regarding it which going to push the price up as well, or is it just the usage? So 14 hours ago we did have a price analyst on PancakeSwap. So let's see what I say. PancakeSwap. Buyers lapped up PancakeSwap around the $22 mark and drove the price all the way towards a new all-time high at $44. After a pullback, buyers once again stepped in at $37, but were unable to push Cake to a fresher all-time high. At the time of writing, Cake hovered around the $40 mark and was supported by the 50 SMA blue on the 4-hour time frame. RSI showed choppy movement and traded back and forth around the neutral zone. Also, Musculator threatened to fall below the half line, but this could be countered swiftly by the bulls considering the most